everybody. So, my sister actually has more power tools than I do, but I just couldn't let this deal pass up. From Lowe's, you can get the 6-tool combo kit. So you got your recip, you got your small circular impact. You get your flashlight, LED flashlight, you got your drill, and then you got the multi-tool. Not a real big fan of these, but I'm not going to knock them per se for 200 bucks. So you look at the DeWalt stuff, it's $500 to $600 for that. You need 2 batteries, charger, and a bag, I believe. So there you go. That's everything you get with it. And there's a bunch of add-on tools as well. Like one of them that I want to get is a little power converter where you can slide onto the battery and then plug in, you know, just a regular 110, 120, device of, you know, some sort, you know, up to a degree. So I thought, well, let me go ahead and grab another battery as well. Well, a battery is almost $80, but being the Christmas season, they had the drill driver with a battery and a little charger, and whatever. Oh yeah, the charger. They had that for $60. So I'm not the brightest, I'm not the smartest, or even too smart, but a $60 drill and battery and charger combo compared to just the battery, the 2.0 battery, great deal. Alright, so we've got this pulled out. So because I could use that yesterday, it was very, very handy. So got drill driver, still 1 bar, real torquey. Alright, so there we go, there's that. Not the best lighting here. Let's see. Boom! Might help a little bit. Alright, so we have, and thankfully too, I didn't want to go to the store. They say this deal's offered only for a limited time. Oh, you too can have your My Craftsman. Anyways, little My Pillow guy reference there. Oh, it's the best power tools, last power tools you ever had. My Craftsman. Anyways, so there's the tool bag. We have this small circular saw, 5 3/8. We have instructions. Don't need those. We have charger. We will need that. We have gobs of cardboard. Drill. Yeah. Okay, so we got drill. We have Phillips bit. We have multi-tool. We have oh yeah, these are this. Oh, now see, there we go. So I have a better understanding now. These are the attachments. This is pretty impressive here. I mean, this is even a better deal that you came with this many attachments. You got the sanders, you have the wood and metal cutter. That the multi-tool came with that many attachments to boot. That's a pretty good deal. Okay, I'm impressed. Got the flashlight. Ooh, I really want to see what that looks like. We'll check that out in a minute. It's supposed to be 140 lumens. Okay, cardboard. I think battery. Let's see here. I'm pretty sure that's a battery. Open up! Open up in the name of Todd! Yep. Battery! To go with that later. Hey, cardboard. Battery? Oh, yeah, because I stole the battery from here. So you get your 2 batteries there. So it's really going to help out having the multiple batteries. We have a recip saw blade. Impressive. We will need that. Having the cordless recip is just going to be very helpful, I think. I'm not sure what's... circular saw. Oh. Wow, I forgot how big that would actually be. Okay. This is too cool. Look at the little guy. This is going to be handy. And like my sister told me too, you can check into, you know, later in the year sometimes. Craftsman will run a deal where if you buy the 4 battery, the 4.0 battery, I think it's like $100, you get like a free tool. So that's a pretty good incentive. You know, pay $100, get a, you know, $70 to $100 tool for free. Recip saw, very, very handy. All right, so I'm going to move this out of the way. We're gonna plug in a battery or two. Let's see if we can set you guys up like right here. Are you guys here? Are you still alive? You're still alive? All right. So we'll set you guys up right. Sorry, my hands are away. We'll set you guys up right there. All right. So, recip saw. Pretty hefty duty unit too. Okay. We have battery. I think I've had this in the back of the Suburban for about a week and just now decided to pull it out. All right. Hey, 1 bar. Okay, so that's just a lock. Oh, that's cool. All right, so recip saw works. Okay, so all of this for, ooh, that's pretty impressive. And plus you can do that. So working on cars and so forth, very, very handy. Okay, or just anything. Stuck in a hurricane, stuck in a blizzard. That's cool. Here we got our multi-tools. We got our drill bit. We have a charger. And it is nice to have that bag too. So some of them you can get a hard case on too. So that's pretty good. All right, so drill. All right. It's locked out for some reason. Yeah, that sounded pretty good. Reverse is kind of... Oh, there it goes. Maybe I had stuck in neutral or something. Alright. Uh-oh. No! I think the battery's dying. Yep. Alright, so that battery's kind of on the deads. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one's right here. Alright, so these tools looking good so far. There's the... This one worked really well. Drove some gate screws very, very nicely. You know, like some hinge. I think I have 3/8. Alright, so multi-tool. And they're very, very light. It's a very light combo. I do like that. Alright, so I always forget. Oh, and it's got different speeds too. Alright, so you got that. Oh, it's neat too. It's got like a spring. Oh, yeah, for your attachment right here. That's impressive. Hey, let's get some light on this side, shall we? There we go. So, I like that. And then you got the light on that too. Impressive. So I think everything's got a light. I know this one's got, yeah. Impact's got a light, drill's got a light. I don't know if recip has a light. That would be pretty cool. Does recip have light? Nope. So you'll have to be careful using your recip saw in the dark. Just be careful with that. Alright, so quicker saw. Get your little tool there. Battery here. Lock it out. It's got like a thumb. That's kind of good. No blade. That's cool. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, that's probably like a brake right there so you can set it up. That'll be handy. It's very easy, and it is set up good for either hand. That's a good point. Look at that. Either hand. That's good. And then so for this type of tool, and probably for the recip, is where that 4.0 battery would really shine. So, anyways, hey, we're still recording. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this interesting. We'll keep you updated on you know, how well this stuff works. and if I think it's still a deal. So, but you know, a great initial set for the casual tool worker. And really, when you think about it, it ends up being a little bit cheaper than, you know, going to Harbor Freight. Even with their deals, you get a little bit better of a, you know, better of an option. So check your options, see what works good for you. But this is what I'm going to work with.